Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I'm Smela Ilyas from EBSA Extrawat with new lesson of English language for class 5. Today's lesson is my page. So let's start our new lesson, my page. My dear students, look at the girl in the photos. Do you know who she is? Have you seen the film Soul Surfer about her? If not, so let's read Bethany's story from Learner book, page number 12. Open your books. Come on page number 12 of Learner's book, Bethany's story. So let's start reading about Bethany. Bethany is a professional surfer from Hawaii. At the age of 13, a tiger shark attacked her, biting off her left arm. So at the age of 13, a shark attacked her and she lost her left arm. She was rushed to hospital, and despite losing 60% of the blood in her body, she survived. Not only that, but Bethany was determined to surf again, and a few months later she was back on her board. In 2004, she wrote about her experience in her autobiography Soul Surfer, which was made into a major film in 2011. Today she is a world-class surfer and an inspiration to us all. So Bethany is a strong lady who even lost her left arm. She didn't lose her courage. Even losing her left arm, she decided to surf again, and she got great name in the field of surfing, and she was a world-class surfer. So let's move her autobiography. Come on page number 12, exercise 2, read. My dear students, page number 12, exercise 2, read. Read Bethany's My Page and see, do you have anything in common with her? So let's start reading Bethany's My Page. Name, Bethany's Hamilton. Date of birth, 8 February 1990. Town or city, Lihu, Hawaii. Family, 2 older brothers, Noah and Timothy. Likes surfing, playing football, tennis, hiking, rollerblading. Dislikes having arguments. Personality, cheerful, positive, generous. My favorite day, a warm sunny day, surfing with my friends and family. Favorite things, my most favorite thing of all is my tablet. I have downloaded some amazing apps. My favorite season, the summer, because I love going to the beach. I feel relaxed and happy. My favorite smell, I love the smell of the sea. It's exhilarating. My favorite taste, without a doubt, it has to be chocolate. Advice to others, do your best in life, find good in bad situations, and be kind to others. So this is page about Bethany Hamilton. From this page we have come to know about Bethany's likes, dislikes, personality aspects, her favorite things like smell, season, taste, and etc. So from this page we get an idea to how could we write page about ourselves. My dear students, whenever we are asked to write about yourself, you will have to write about your name, date of birth, your town or city, family, means that how many persons do you have in your family, your likes, dislikes, your perfect day, favorite things, that could be season, smell, favorite dress, taste, and other things. So this page help us how could we write page about ourselves. My dear students, open your activity book, page number 10. Read and match the headings to Natalie Dutoit's My Page. Personality, city or country, family, best feeling, favorite place, advice to others, our dream come true. We will have to put these options in the given blanks to complete my page about Natalie Dutoit. Before going to the exercise, let's read the paragraph about Natalie Dutoit. That will help us to complete my page about Natalie Dutoit. At the age of 14, Natalie Dutoit, a talented South African swimmer, lost her leg in a motorcycle accident. Despite her disability, Natalie was determined to continue swimming and competing. Since then, she has won gold medals in the Paralympics and competed in the Beijing Olympic Games. So this is about Natalie Dutoit, that how she was determined and strong lady who won gold medals in the Paralympics. Let's move to the exercise. Name Natalie Dutoit, date of birth 29th January 1984. In these following blanks, we will have to put the options that are given in the paragraph about Natalie Dutoit. First one is dash Cape Town, South Africa. So here we will write city or country. Number 2, dash Henri Dutoit, brother. So it talks about family. So here we will write family. Number 3, dash positive and determined. It simply talks about personality. So write here personality. Number 4, dash swimming in the pool. I feel fantastic in the water. Here you will have to write best feelings. Number 5, dash Table Mountain in Cape Town. It's incredible. Here you will have to write favorite place. Number 6, competing in the Olympic Games. Wow. Here you will have to write a dream come true. Number 7, dash be everything you want to be. Advice to others. So here we complete my page about Natalie Dutoit, and we have read Bethany's page. So with the help of these pages, we will be able to write about ourselves in my own page. So let's move to the steps we will have to keep in mind while writing my own page. My dear students, after reading Bethany's page and Natalie Dutoit page, the most important things that we should keep in mind while writing my page. First, name. You will have to mention name. After that, date of birth. After name and date of birth, you will have to mention town or city from where you belong. Then your personality. Likes, the most favorite thing you want to do. Dislikes, most irritating thing for you. Favorite things, first your favorite season, your favorite smell, your favorite taste, and then last, advice to others. So these steps help us to write about our personality, and these steps or these things help us how we can describe our personality, and these things give a complete glimpse of personality, complete picture of our personality. So I hope all of you have understood well. Now let's move to the today's task. Today's task is write your own page. You will have to write your own page on loose sheets. You can take help from page number 12 of Learner's Book, as you have read about Bethany's My Page. So you will have to write about your personality. Your name, date of birth, town, city, family, likes, dislikes, personality, my perfect day, favorite things, my favorite season, my favorite smell, my favorite taste, advice to others. So you will have to keep in mind these steps while writing about your personality. So you will have to write your own page on those sheets. My dear students, I hope all of you have understood well today's lesson. May Allah bless you with endless happiness. Thank you. We will meet in next class, inshallah.